Stop wasting money on TVs that fail. If you want reliability, listen up. Long lifespan means stable panels and good power boards, not just fancy features like Dolby Vision. The most reliable brand worldwide, Sony. They use high-quality components, and technicians report fewer motherboard failures even after years of use. If you want a TV that lasts 7 to 10 years, choose a mid-range Sony. It's the safest choice. Like and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest advice. Next brand is Panasonic. Panasonic TVs are not flashy, but they are extremely durable. Panasonic focuses more on component quality than marketing. Many Panasonic TVs work smoothly even after 8 years with only minor maintenance. Power boards and backlights in Panasonic TVs are known to last longer than average. If Panasonic is available in your region, it is an excellent long lifespan choice. Now let's talk about LG. LG makes its own panels, especially OLED panels. LG LED TVs have average lifespan, but LG OLED TVs are built better than most people think. Burn and fear is mostly exaggerated if used properly. LG OLED TVs use better cooling and better panel control compared to early generation models. Technicians report fewer backlight issues because OLED has no traditional backlight. If you use screensaver, pixel refresh, and avoid static images, LG OLED can last 5 to 7 years comfortably. LG WebOS is also stable and causes fewer software-related problems. First, power protection. Always use a good quality surge protector. Voltage fluctuation kills TVs silently. Second, ventilation. Never mount TV flush against the wall without air gap. Heat must escape. Third, brightness control. Set brightness to balanced mode, not maximum. High brightness increases heat and backlight stress. Fourth, power saving. Go to settings, then go to system, then power saving, then go to set time. Enable auto power off and eco mode. Fifth, software updates. Do not update immediately on day one. Wait for feedback because early updates sometimes cause bugs. Now, Wi-Fi settings matter too. Use stable Wi-Fi connection. Avoid weak signal. If possible, use 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz for stability. Network instability can cause software freezes and boot loops. Now, panel care tips. Never clean screen with wet cloth directly, use microfiber cloth. Avoid pressure on panel. Never leave static images for long time. Enable screensaver always. Let me share technician level advice. Most TVs die because of power board failure. Power board fails due to heat and voltage spikes. Backlight fails due to high brightness usage. Motherboard fails due to unstable software and poor power regulation. So choose brand with good power design and control heat properly. Now, quick summary for buyers. Best overall lifespan brand is Sony. Best durability with simple design is Panasonic. Best OLED lifespan is LG. Best high-end performance, but choose carefully, is Samsung. Best budget reliable brands are Toshiba, Sharp, and Hisense if chosen wisely. Avoid chasing specs. Chase build quality. Chase thermal design. Chase stable software. If you are confused between two models, comment below. Mention model numbers clearly. I will guide you honestly. No brand promotion, only practical advice. If this video saved you money or future repair headache, please like this video. Share it with friends and family. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for honest tech guidance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.